Alright, good afternoon everybody. We're coming to you from Columbia, South Carolina. We've actually got a 2-night stay here planned at the Aloft Hotel downtown. It's like on the corner of Lady and Lincoln, I believe, are the names of the streets. We're going to go inside and get checked in and do a full hotel tour and a full room tour for you. So let's go inside and let's go make some memories. So now that I got checked in and everything, I just got off the elevator here on the 5th floor. Let's see, which way is my room? This way, to the right. Wow, these hallways are dark. Okay, here we go. We're in room 519. All right, let's see what we got here. Let's see, this is different. Comes with soap, body lotion. I like the sink. I like how there's a lot of counter space too for the sink. That's neat. What's behind this door? What is this? Oh, okay, the bathroom. This is the shower, the toilet, and they have the pumps installed on the wall too. We're starting to see that at a lot of hotels now. All right, and over here we've got some shelf space. Ooh, an ice bucket with tongs. Compliments of Marriott Bonvoy. So we got a water they gave us free. There's some coffee, there's a safe, there's drawers in here. Ooh, the Bible's over here, it's not by the beds. Oh, and there's toilet paper, good to know. And we've got our closet. Ooh, lots of closet space to hang up stuff. A lot of hangers too. 8 hangers they give you, that's cool. All right, let's go check out over here. Oh, this is cool. We got 2 queens. And we actually turn a voucher in. We're staying here 2 nights in Columbia, and we actually redeem Marriott Bonvoy vouchers for both nights, which those vouchers traditionally cover rooms, category rooms 1 through 5. And I believe this one was a 5. Could have been a 4. But we got to stay completely for free, which is cool. I'll have to let you know how much it was supposed to be later. So we got our 2 things there. And then on this side of the bed, there's like a panel here. Right on the other side of this panel is the shower, actually. So I'm curious to see when the lights are all off, if we leave that light on, is it going to serve as a night light for us, or will it be too bright? Now this is our view. The parking garage that you're looking at right there is where we're actually currently parked. The Aloft uses the 3rd floor for parking, and the parking ends up being $14 a day. So even though we had the voucher, we still have to pay 28 bucks for the parking for 2 nights, which is fine. And then there's a TV hanging up on the wall up here. Little desk area over here. They'll give you like a trash and recycling. This is a different room. We've never stayed in an Aloft before, but the way this room is set up, I mean, you can tell it's an older building. I'm curious to know what this building used to be. I may have to ask somebody or see if I can figure it out on my own by Googling it. But yeah, this is your room tour. We'll have to give you a tour of the whole rest of the hotel at some point.
So we just left the room, 519. Yeah. And look at these hallways. I feel like I'm in a horror movie. Now the lamps are nice.
Yeah, thank God they're not flickering.
They're pretty. But there's no decoration on the walls. It is just pure charcoal gray. And that's kind of depressing. Now I did notice that the doors are really high. Like, probably 9 feet tall. Maybe 10. Here? Oh, okay. You do need access to get ice. Typical. Nothing special. That's all that's here. Nothing. It's just the end of the hotel. It's very minimalistic. Let's go down. That is more modern. Downstairs. The room's nice too. They have a sanitizing station. And we're here. That's the bar restaurant, I guess. It's more like a bar. Please stay 6 feet apart. Business center area. Printer and logins. Now we haven't been able to log into the internet, so we might, I don't know if it's easy or not. Okay. Oh,
And you can
that's
sign
it.
up for this. This is the card we have. If you sign up using the link that we put in the description down below, you'll get bonus points, and so will we.
Yeah. And we stayed here with a voucher. There's the restrooms right by the elevator in that center. Again, you need your key to get into the fitness area. Plenty of machines and equipment. Wow, very
Clock is
nice.
not right though.
Doesn't matter. The equipment's nice though.
And they got nice stuff in here.
Get a little closer. They do have water. Oh. Right next to the fitness area, there's this little outside seating area with games, adult Jenga,
Okay, I was busy earlier.
yeah, a fireplace, fire lamps, Connect 4,
Connect 4, that's cool.
beanbag toss over here,
Cornhole.
or cornhole, depending on where you're from.
I don't love the board.
No.
We're in Colombia, so I
They
understand.
can't hear me. Love that. It's too soft. I like this. That's nice. Right? It's like the city in a mural. It's really pretty. I like that. Yeah. And then back here, this one you need access to as well. It leads to the back of the hotel. And then this is the parking lot, parking garage that you use for the hotel stay. If you are self-parking, your car will be here too if it's valeted, but obviously you won't have to go in and out of it.
Yeah, it's not a
They'll
long
bring it to
walk.
you,
It's
but
literally close.
no, it's yeah, it's
there.
right behind the building. So there's the hotel, and here's the garage. They have elevators. It wasn't too busy for this weekend anyway. Multiple hotels use this one we saw.
Yeah,
For this hotel, it's on the 3rd floor. There it is. That's how they're labeled. Pretty empty though, see?
Sure, it's heavy.
Yeah.
The other one's not.
There is a door over there possibly too, actually. Yeah, this is nice. We're gonna go see what's on there too. Yeah, they have a nice pool table here. They have games over there. That's fun. It makes it fun. They sell the artwork too, I see. Nice seating area here. Let's go see what's over here. Yeah, I like to loved it. Oh, there's another seating area out here. A terrace, they call it. Good for having a drink, yeah. Let's see what's here. Another bathroom.
Another elevator?
Another elevator, which I'm not sure where that goes.
Probably the end of the hallway. The other side we walked.
It's true. More rooms it might be.
Oh, just the first floor of rooms, yeah.
But just double checking. Sure enough. Oh look, they have basketball in there. So they have a TV out there. That's nice. You saw it? Oh. I like that they have the things running up there. You know, it's very modern. Yeah. But yeah, it's really nice. Hi. This is normally the breakfast area. Now, none of this, I believe, is included with your stay. So they do have prices up here for their stuff. And I guess they do some food throughout the day if you wanted it too. Maybe. I saw somebody eating something. You could buy snacks too. Some cereal, everything, but none of that's included. Individually priced. Plenty to choose from. Another sitting area here. And this is just it. And then the outside of the hotel. Huh?
So since we took you on the tour, we had to go to the car anyway. We fueled up on some snacks for tomorrow, so we're gonna be walking around Colombia all day tomorrow.
More vlogs to come.
Yes, more vlogs to come for sure. Bedtime, let's get some sleep. Alright, so this hotel doesn't include breakfast normally, but last night when we did the check-in, because we used a voucher to stay here for 2 nights, and when we had called to find out, the lady that we spoke to on the phone said that she thought breakfast may have been included with the voucher. But once we checked in, we realized it wasn't, but Mason at check-in took care of us for one of the nights to give us breakfast. So this morning we're trying the breakfast out. What did you get? The OG?
It was like a bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich on a brioche bun, but they didn't have that, so they switched it to a bagel.
That's what it looks like inside. It looks pretty good.
Yeah, it's roasted tomatoes. I think it is. That part might be a little weird for me, and spinach, but we'll see. And then she got
this
like
looks messy.
waffles. It's like 2 waffles with berries, syrup, and sprinkled sugar and Nutella. So it's a lot. It's sweet. We'll see. She's excited. And then your burrito.
Yeah, and then I got the chorizo burrito, chorizo and egg burrito. It's really tiny. Well, at least it was free, I guess. It comes with some fire roasted salsa. I'll have to give that a try too. All right, so we just got back to the room after eating breakfast. They both liked what they had. Mine wasn't like it was bad. It was just so tiny. And like the chorizo sausage that was supposed to be in it, they were like tiny little pieces. And there was maybe like 4 or 5 in the whole burrito. So it was really small. I would get that burrito again if it was free breakfast, sure. But if I had to pay for it, absolutely not. But they liked theirs. Theirs was really good. Next time if I was to choose though, I would probably choose what my daughter had, the waffles. Because it was actually 2 waffles in there, a bunch of fresh fruit, and the Nutella and syrup and stuff, and it seemed like it was more of a filling breakfast.
So I'm basically like the hotel critic. How some people are really picky about food. We're not that picky, so we seem to like most of what we try. However, when it comes to a hotel, I'm pretty picky. I like cleanliness. That's the most important thing. But I also think a proper floor layout is important, okay? So this hotel, the Aloft, is not properly laid out. And I'll show you why. First of all, they just weren't thinking about families or couples or anybody in general. This light controls both this part of the bathroom and the actual toilet shower area. So it may look pretty, it may look modern, but you can't just shower in the morning without waking somebody up with all the light. Now, the other thing, the door. The door is right here. The handle's right there. And the little spigot's right there. I have to reach in to turn it on, close the door until it gets warm. If not, I'm getting sprayed with cold water. Okay. The towels are here. If I forgot to grab a towel, I have to go through all this just to get to one. So you have to remember to put your towel here. Okay, not a problem. Or here, but that's, again, you have to reach in. No place to put your clothes if you like to get dressed in the restroom. Again, if you have people with you and you don't like to, top of the toilet, I guess, that's your choice. So, yeah, those are my problems with that. Oh, then the door. Slides. No lock. No privacy. No noise barrier. Just slides. Which isn't the worst thing ever. Now, another thing I noticed that we appreciate in the hotel rooms is a microwave. They don't have one here. Now that's a choice, I get it, but I still don't like that because we use it. Our mini fridge seems to keep stuff relatively cold, but even though it does have a temperature setting, doesn't seem to work that powerfully. Again, everybody's sleeping. Hi guys. Hi. If you were sleeping and I turned on the light, everything would light up in here because there's nothing separating the 2 rooms. On top of, well, the thermostat. Oh, that's another thing. Badly laid out. The air conditioning is right here. It literally leads to to this one bed. Cold air just blasts on my child all night, but that's the bed she chose. So there you go. I do like all this space here. That's nice. And the TV seems to be well for both beds. Everything seems, oh, let me show you the outlet. This is the outlet. This right here. See how it's blocked? I could barely use it. It has to be a thin cable. If it's something a little too thick, it will not work. And you will have nowhere to plug it in here. Because that's it. Another thing, the toilet in this particular room, I don't know if it's in every room, but I don't know if it's a low flush. In this toilet, it spatters sometimes not. So it's like the second flush is like that, which is extremely gross, obviously. And so I don't know if it happens in every room, but it sure did happen in this one. So there's no little shelf in here. nowhere to put our stuff. So you have to either put it on the floor or use what they have, which I'm not saying it's a bad thing, but sometimes you have your own things. These are your own body wash, your own facial wash, and there's no place to put it. And last night I did take a shower in the dark because my child had already fallen asleep. So it really wasn't a good way to have to do things.
All right, guys, so this is going to wrap up our stay here at the Aloft Hotel in downtown Columbia, South Carolina. We stayed here 2 nights. We used 2 vouchers to stay here, so it only cost us the parking, the self-parking garage across the street, which is like, I don't know, $14 a night, I think, so it's not too bad. You've already seen what we thought of the hotel and everything, so the question is would we stay here again? If we were coming to downtown Columbia, and I guess we had a voucher, and it was available, sure, but if not, we would probably choose a different hotel just to get a different experience. But location-wise, this hotel is good. It's located pretty close to, pretty centrally to all of the downtown attractions that you want to see. So, but we would probably give it a different try just because for us, you saw the reasons why some of the things didn't work out for us here as well as we would like. But thanks for watching. If you like this video, you like our hotel review, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that like button down below, leave us a comment if you want. If you're subscribed to the channel and a returning viewer, thank you so much. If not, hit that subscribe button down below. Come join the Primetime Travelers family. Let's keep this thing going and growing. All right, guys, as always, we'll see you soon.